Hello to everybody watching. My name is Mason Carrier, and I'm going into my senior year here at UL. I'd just like to ask every one of you to think about how many people you know who have epilepsy or who just get occasional seizures happen to them. My father is one of those people, so this invention that I've chose to research is really meaningful to me. The invention that I have chose to present is the Smart Belt. It was made by 5 students at Rice University. The SMART stands for Seizure Monitoring and Response Transducer. The Smart Belt is a unique invention created by students at Rice University. It is a belt that is worn for the purpose of detecting an oncoming seizure, but it was specifically made for people with epilepsy. The Smart Belt doesn't only detect an upcoming seizure, but it also monitors the vitals of the wearer nonstop if they have the belt on. And it also sends an alert to somebody's phone. So the belt was primarily made for children to wear that have epilepsy, so a parent would get a notification that their child would be having a seizure. The Smart Belt has just passed its testing and has become an actual invention. It hasn't been started to be sold yet, but it is fully working now. And this is a picture of the prototype belt for the Smart Belt. It's not really a good view of it, but there wasn't any pictures actually of the finished belt, so the prototype picture. One of the 5 students who in the group, her name is Tiffany Verhoozy. She was actually the leader of the group and was the individual that I contacted for most of this information. She had informed me that the belt has two silver electrodes like those in lie detectors. Those monitor electric conductivity, which is the main part of the seizure detection. The belt has another sensor that monitors breathing. The sensors are attached to a removable electronic module, that was the green part in the picture, that acquires and transmits the signals. When the sensors show signs of a seizure, the transmitter sends data via Bluetooth to either computer or smartphone. And the Smart Belt was tested very deeply on about 20 healthy individuals. It was never tested on an actual epileptic person. To gather data, the volunteers were asked to hyperventilate or they were startled by a loud noise, both of which prompt a fight or flight response, similar to what a person with epilepsy experiences during a seizure. All in all, I believe that this invention could help a lot of people, even though it doesn't detect a seizure. It doesn't stop an oncoming seizure from happening, but such an early notification of a seizure coming is very helpful to help out the person.